Good morning from Hamilton. We are with Birnie Plumbing and Drains, and not just first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. We have 5 generations here. Such an incredible component to really being in the community in Hamilton.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, it's your dad
yes.
and you,
yes.
and now your son is starting to get integrated.
Yes.
Did he have a choice, or was it, you know?
Well, I always told him he had a choice, but I wasn't going to let him sit on the couch either. So just like my dad did, he was like, listen, you're not sitting on the couch, you're either coming down to work or you're going to do something. So I started in 1997, and then I never left.
And you never left.
So here I am.
That's amazing. I love that.
My great-grandfather in the 20s. My grandfather put it in his name, Thomas Birnie, in 1946. And then, my dad, my uncle, my cousin, myself, my son. There's been a lot of Birnies.
But I love that because it makes you guys so integrated into the community. Everybody knows who you are. Everybody knows that you guys do what you do. And,
absolutely. And
they call you a lot. Yes,
they do. And Hamilton has been home and has just been really great to our family.
I love that.
Hamilton has been, those are stomping grounds, man. Yeah. That's where we call home. So we're here right now.
Yeah, so. We are here at Birnie Plumbing. We're talking about new technology. So this is first of its kind in Hamilton.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Yes.
It's light ray therapy?
It's light ray therapy. Yeah, light ray therapy for your pipes. I love that.
Totally.
Absolutely. Last year we talked and we lined a sewer that my great-grandfather installed. We used the Forma-Drain product. It was a great, and it is a great product.
This is what it looks like.
Yes, we still use the Forma-Drain product.
And would you be putting it in pipes that look like that?
Yes, we have. Those are old clay tile pipes. You'll find those North End, Hamilton, even East End, right at the front of the house, just before it exits. And yeah, that's old clay tile, and basically,
unfortunately, it's still around.
It is, and it's like I always say to our team, it's like, you bring a Model T into the shop and say, how long am I going to have with it? Well, I mean, realistically, if it's still running, good, but eventually it's something that you're going to have to take care of.
Of course.
So so Dad went out and looked and found light ray, and it's just like going to the dentist. It's like when you get a filling in your teeth and they put that purple light inside your mouth.
UV, yeah.
The UV, and it hardens like a rock.
Yeah.
And that's what this does. So we set it up, we get the material in there. The material is basically, it looks like basically just a woven piece of, it's a little, absolutely.
Sticky?
It's a little sticky.
Oh, it is sticky.
Yeah, it's got a little sticky. It's a little woven piece of pipe, and we load that on the, this thing is called a pack. We load it on that, and we put it down the drain, just like this.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Okay.
And so, that's how we do it.
And then you light it up.
And then we expand it with some air, and we light it up. One of the greatest things about this technology, as you can see, this is like a 6-inch piece. Now, you wouldn't normally call us to come in for a 6-inch piece, but we can do 1 foot, 2 foot repairs. The last product that we had was more like, you had to do the whole thing.
Big thing.
But this is budget, conscious.
Friendly.
It is. So if you've been dealing with that 1 or 2 spot roots, you've been calling us every year, because we do get calls every year, like hair, right? It just grows. So you got the 1 to 2 foot spot, and you're like, listen, I just can't do the whole thing.
Yep.
We can come in, we can do that. It comes with a 10-year warranty on the material, and it locks in place and keeps those pesky roots from coming back for a while.
It's like a haircut.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay. Well, coming up, we are going to be showing you how they light it up, just to give you an amazing demonstration. So make sure you stay with us. From Hamilton, lots more coming up on Morning Live. Well, it's been over 100 years that Birnie Plumbing and Drains has been in business, and I'm now being joined by Tyler, 5th generation. No pressure on you at all. None.
Lots of pressure. Lots of pressure. I got a name to live up to.
It's true. And I can hear your dad chuckling in the background, and so is your grandfather. We're talking about this brand new technology. This is really, really, really cool. Tell me about the components. Tell me about how it works.
Okay, so basically we got a silicone bag here. Let's say you have some roots in the pipe. We go in with the camera, we look at the roots, we look at the joint. This is really good for spot repairs, just one little spot of roots that are causing problems over and over again. Keep on needing to come back and clean it out. This will get rid of that for a long time. So
10-year warranty?
Yeah, 10-year warranty. Okay. So what we do basically is we put this in the sewer. we inflate it up like a balloon almost, and we've got this material on it. It's woven fiberglass and resin, and what this does is, as explained before, like the dentist when you get a filling done, we use UV lights to light it up, and you can do that now.
Woo!
And yeah, it's got ribbons of UV lights that basically make this harden.
It shines through there.
Yeah, and that's what it does on the inside of the pipe, and it molds to the clay pipe and makes it so that no roots can get in.
How long does it take?
It usually takes about 5 minutes just to cook off. So yeah,
That's
there's
incredible.
no wait times, nothing. It's not, yeah, and then you can use it right afterwards too. So if you're concerned about not being able to use your sewer for a while, this thing cooks off in minutes.
And then you put the camera back down to make sure you've gotten the problem that you went in to get.
Yeah, we inspect it thoroughly to make sure that everything's good. There's no roots that are going to be coming in, and every joint that we were looking to get covered is covered.
Show how it goes into the pipe. So this will be a normal PVC pipe that you would find in the average home.
Yes, this is a normal PVC pipe that's shown. But this is what it looks like all together. So
oh, wow.
we wrap it all up in saran wrap, make it all nice and pretty, just so that it slides in the sewer easier.
I love how you guys think that's pretty.
Yeah, but then we basically just put it in like this, and then if the joint's right there, we'll put this whole piece in, and we'll inflate it and cook it off, and then no more worries.
Now, I love this because the fact that you can just do like little spots at a time, because I'm a fairly new homeowner, but I don't have a lot of money. So if I have a problem, it can come in, and I'm saving on like restructure fees. So you're not bashing up my driveway. You're not, tearing up my lawn.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's great for little spot repairs. There's there's no damage done. Yeah, we try to go through a clean out or something like that that's already in the basement, and when we do that, it's great and
much more cost effective for the homeowner.
Exactly. Yeah, saves a lot of money.
Okay, well, coming up, we're going to learn a little bit more about the family history. We're going to show you the branding that they've gone towards. There's so much more fun coming up. Well, I am learning all about the Birnie family tree, and boy, there are a lot of them. It is no wonder that they've been in Hamilton for over 100 years. I almost think it's record-breaking that you guys have the second plumbing license in Hamilton. And what's the story? Your dad kind of gave away the first?
Yeah, we said that because Grandpa likes to put other people first, he opened the door and let the guy go in.
Oh.
We don't know if that's true or not, but
let's say it is.
Let's say it is. He's number two in the number two business, I guess.
Okay, so let's introduce everybody here.
Sure.
So we've got John at the end.
John at the end. That's Roy's son.
That's Roy's son, who is Bob's brother.
That's right.
And that's Bob's dad. Your grandfather
that's
in the photo.
My grandfather, our grandfather, yeah. And that's, even though Dad is looking a lot like Grandpa, it's not Grandpa, that's Dad's.
But you look so much like Dad.
Okay.
Okay, so then we've got Bob, and then we've got yourself, Rob, and then over here, all on his own.
That's my son, Tyler.
Fifth generation right here. We're going to be chatting with all of you throughout the day today. But let's talk about these photos that we're holding here.
Absolutely. So we say about being in Hamilton, this is my great-grandfather in the 20s is when he started the company in 1922, and he started on 129 Campbell Avenue. There was 10 children in that house right there.
Wow.
And notice there's no phone number. Everything was word of mouth advertising. Everything was...
There's barely cars.
Exactly. Well, he had a bicycle first.
Yeah.
So, and then it evolved. It evolved here. So, my grandfather, he had his block lettering, and then it evolved to my great-grandfather evolved to my grandfather. My grandfather put it in his name, Thomas R. Birnie, and that was in 1946. And you notice he had a phone number. That's Liberty 4-8137.
Wow.
That's the area of town he was in.
Easy.
And he was on 40 Grosvenor Avenue South in Hamilton. And so then notice it doesn't say Thomas R. Birnie and Sons.
No, he's like, I'm the only one here.
Correct. So then Dad and Uncle Roy came along, and it evolved to Thomas R. Birnie and Sons, and it went through and then of course people know us from our logo.
Totally.
They put the 3 heads on the truck, and they put the clothes pegs on the nose. I don't have a picture of that right now, and people knew us as Stinky for a long time. That was us. We were the Stinky guys, 5 Stinky, and
now you're going to do almost like a little bit more of a rebrand.
Yeah, so our rebrand.
You can't put 20 of you on a truck.
Exactly.
walk.
20 people on a truck would be crazy.
Yeah.
But we wanted to throw it back to, basically, to our roots, and pun intended.
Yeah.
We wanted to go with scripting. We wanted to go with the oval. We wanted to go with the wave. All the things, the block lettering, all the things that have encompassed our family for the last 100 years.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of a nod to all of that. And of course, when you've been in the stinky business for 100 years, they call you the pros.
Yeah.
So we're now Birnie.pro. We'll make it flow.
We'll make it flow, Bernie. That is brilliant. Look at you guys. You guys all sit around in the writing room and come up with this stuff, don't you? I know.
We do.
I know.
You know.
Well, it's amazing. They do everything from your basic plumbing, if you have a little leak on the floor because your toilet's doing something funny, or they do the big jobs. They get out, they rip up your front lawn, and they fix your pipes, and then they get rid of the roof. You do it all.
Absolutely.
These people are saying hi already, and it's a go train of all things.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, so coming up, well, there's so much more to discuss in terms of plumbing and your basic needs, so make sure you stay with us. There's tons more on Morning Live. Okay, this is the showstopper for me right here, Bob. Honestly, that's a root that would be in your pipe.
Yes, that's an incredible
It's disturbing.
specimen, isn't it? Look at that. The
They actually have a glass top that they removed for this
yeah,
segment.
the old sewers, they grow down like a ponytail. The roots just go right down. We've got them out 30 to 60 feet long.
Wow.
A tail like this. This here is neat because there's the old clay tile. They used to have bell and spigot hubs.
Like this, like we were showing on
Yeah,
the display
that's
earlier,
right.
one of these ones that are
Yeah.
like still in Hamilton.
That's right.
North end of Hamilton.
They're all over.
Yeah.
Those things are dangerous.
So you can actually see like where that round bit, it would have been kind of right in here
Yep.
with that. And then the root, like you said, like a ponytail coming
Yeah.
down.
They grow down, and it's just like a haircut also. You cut them out, and they grow back.
Right.
Okay? The more you cut them, it's like a rose bush. See how the roots get thicker and thicker? Mm-hmm. And then, of course, look at that one there. Look at how that's almost wood now.
Yeah.
That's been cut so many times.
Mm.
And so they don't go away. They just hang in there. So that's the neat thing about the light ray.
Yeah.
You know, being able to do, if your rest of your sewer 30, 40, 50 feet is good.
Yeah.
But there's a section here where roots are coming in, we can get it fixed up.
Okay, so now the reason why we also have what looks like a piece of driftwood, it is not. They found it on a sewer?
No, well, yeah, they grow beside the sewer. They might grow this, they might grow underneath
And
it.
couldn't get to the sewer because this was in your way.
This is in the way, but what happens, little parts come off, so they shift the sewer, which causes the hub to break or to crack. And then, so that it
Someone's
doesn't.
calling you.
Yeah, a lot of people think this is what's in the sewer when you say roots. This isn't it. It's the hair-like
That's-
fiber that grows like a ponytail.
Because they're little and they're
little
sneaky
and they're
they'll-
hungry for
and
water.
they'll get right in wherever they
A
can.
lot of vitamins in that water for those roots too.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay, now going back to the light ray. I
Yes.
want to call it light ray therapy, so that's what I'm
It
going
is
to call
great
it.
idea.
We put that with Tyler. We put this little piece of resin on with like a fiber, and look
Yeah.
it's hard now. And this stays in your pipe.
Isn't that amazing? That stays in the pipe. That's what seals the joint so that no water can infiltrate or get out. And it just goes.
So like
You know-
no roots getting through there.
No roots are getting through there. In fact, what's it been? 5 minutes?
Yeah.
You know, if that. And as I say, she's hard.
And
she's
like
hard.
it just kind of goes along the outline of, so the water now passes through there.
That's water.
Or
No,
whatever.
water doesn't pass through. The water passes through the middle,
Right.
right through there, and this seals the outside.
I get it,
So
okay.
you got a circumference.
Yep.
With a hole where the water just goes down
Yeah.
through, stops the infiltration of roots.
Yes.
Or water too. Sometimes people have groundwater and stuff like that that come in.
And they don't
it
want it.
stops that. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
That's right.
That is so cool.
It is.
Okay, so third generation. What's it like working with your family all the time?
It's great. It's great. It's always a challenge. There's family is family, and so we go through our bouts.
Yeah.
But I had a great time. I worked with my brother for 50 years and enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And then to work with my nephews, and then to work with my sons.
Yeah.
And then my grandson.
It's
you
really
know,
special.
It's a great time.
I
Yeah.
can tell
Yeah.
just from being with
Oh,
you
yeah.
guys for the morning. I can
Yeah.
tell that you guys have a lot of fun here. You got a great relationship.
Well,
Community
yeah.
first.
Oh yes, yeah. The community has been great. As I say,
Yeah.
Dad grew up Campbell Avenue, then he moved to Grosvenor. We're here on Lake Avenue. We're still in the
Amazing.
community, but even the surrounding communities have been great.
Well-
and the different names that we've gone through.
Yeah.
You know, some people when Dad first started, They called him Dr. Bernie or Don't Dig Bernie.
Yep. Dr. B?
Yep,
That's what I call
right.
you.
Got
I call
in
you
there,
Dr.
so,
B.
yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Bob, for having us. It has been a real learning experience. If you need anything from these guys, you can find all of the information on their website, or you can head to our website at chch.com. Thanks again.
Thank you.